Sasa.
Poa sana bro.
Ushaiona TV kubwa kama hii?
Wallahi sijaiona. Hiyo ni mara ya kwanza.
Hii ni mara ya kwanza.
Naonanga tu 7 inches, 12 inch na 24 inch.
Hujaiona 75 inches?
Sijaiona kabisa.
So guys, this is a 75-inch TV, Hisense TV, very clear by the way. So this is an Airbnb. Leo nimetembeza hizo aone around. At least aone vitu mzuri ndio tutie bidii. So this is a 75-inch TV in an Airbnb in Ongata, Rongai. If you're looking for an Airbnb to book, long-term, short-term stay, this is the place for you. Leave my contacts. So wacha niwape tour. So hizo unaona hii. Hii kiti inaitwa recliner. Ziko mbili but pia unaweza separate kwa moja moja. Hebu kuja ukalie uone. Hebu waonyeshe venye nafanya kazi hii recliner hivyo. Unakaa starehe.
Kando naweza lala bwana.
Hapo naweza lala. Unakaa tu starehe. Alafu unajua hizi ni spring seats very comfortable. Ukikalia unadunda tu.
Nimeona paka kuna kiti ya kulalia hapo kama unakaa.
Hiyo unaweza lalia. Acha tuonyeshe waone. Hiyo unaweza lalia vizuri sana.
Kama unakaa hivi. Watch tu hata paka asubuhi.
Unaweza watch paka asubuhi. Huwezi kuwa na stress.
Huwezi boeka kama sitoshie lakini fiti tu.
Uko fiti.
Poa.
Yeah, so guys, this is an Airbnb in Ongata, Rongai. Call us up if you need one. It's a 2-bedroom Airbnb, but I can give you as a 1-bedroom Airbnb. It's very affordable, by the way, and it's in a gated estate in Ongata, Rongai. A very beautiful gated estate, a lot of parking lots, high security. Let me show you a little bit of it. Now, this is the dining area. Very beautiful dining. The finishing of this house is high-end. Hii hata sidhani kama unaweza pata hii comfort place kama Kempinski. Unavyo hizo amekaa comfortable Hizo.
Hapa hawezi kuwa stress.
Na watch tu pole. It's a very beautiful nini by the way. Wacha naonyeshe ndo muone. It's a very beautiful place. Yeah, we have so many other Airbnbs in this place. It's a gated estate. If you're looking for one, call or text. If you're looking for Airbnbs in Kilimani, we also have the same, well furnished. Aizo kuja uone bedroom So this is one of the bedrooms. It has 2 bedrooms, but I can give you as 1 bedroom. I can give you as 2 bedrooms. Unaona bedroom inakaa aje?
Iko fiti paka kuna kiti ya kukalia.
Hata kuna kiti hii uko na kiti ya kukalia. So ukikuja kuona mwenye melala huku na hataki kukaa kwa kitanda yake.
Unakaa tu kwa kiti.
Unakaa tu kwa kiti.
Kwani hii pia ni taa?
Hiyo ni taa. Hiyo ni taa mzuri ya bedroom. So instead of kuasha hii, unaweza zima hii alafu unakaa na hiyo alafu kimaliza unazimia hapo hiyo.
Huwezi amuka?
Uamuki.
Okay.
So guys, that is the bedroom. Now this is the washroom. Just like the other places, the washroom is also well finished. You can see some of these things you only see in a mall. Kama hii. Hii ni ile stuff unaonanga tu kwa mall. Kitu kali sana
hiyo ni kali.
Alafu hiyo ukishaanza kuosha mkono unataka kujiona uso unafinya hapa inawaka. Unafanya makeup yako unamaliza kama ni dem, then you are good to go. So this is a very beautiful Airbnb. This is the washroom separate with the toilet. And this is the toilet. Very, very clean, well finished, neat toilet. Here hata you can eat here comfortably without having to think that go to toilet. Very beautiful clean toilet. And this is the smart mirror. It's called smart mirror. Yeah. It's 2 bedrooms. I can't show you the other bedroom because it has someone's stuff yet. But itatolewa tu. And this is the dining area. Let me show you the dining area. This is the dining area. Yeah. Very, very beautiful dining area. In the kitchen. And laundry area. and inakaa hata mzuri sana outside. I'll show you, it's a gated estate, enough parking lots. My main point here is we have one of the most beautiful Airbnbs in Ongata, Rongai. It's a gated estate. You get the best deals when you book with us. We give you the best houses. We make sure it's clean, it's perfect. This is how the house looks during the day. Enough natural lighting. You don't even need the lights on. It's a very beautiful Airbnb by the way. So this is how it looks while you're walking towards the door, exactly outside the door. So it's neat, clean, disciplined, well managed. It's a very beautiful place to stay. Like I said, it's a gated estate, so you get enough ample parking. Parking lots ni nyingi, you can park anywhere. Yeah? As far as you don't park in specific parking for other people, but there are a lot of other parking lots you can park. That one I was pointing right there is a store or a mini mart. This one in the middle right here, it's a mini mart. You can buy things. You don't need to go outside the estate in case you want to buy a soda, you want to buy soap, you want to buy these things you need for a house. All things you can find in a mini mart or in a supermarket or in a store, you'll find it there. So it's a very beautiful estate. If you are someone who has a business and you're looking to advertise with us, just contact us, call or text us. We will make sure all of Kenya knows about your business and you'll get a lot of clients through us. Contact us, we will come, shoot videos, and we will make sure on our YouTube and TikTok. Remember, Isaac wa Bungoma's TikTok has almost 200,000 followers and he gets millions of views on this kind of videos on his TikTok. And my TikTok also has 67,000 followers. And I also get thousands and thousands of views on my TikTok. So we'll make sure the world knows about your business. Just contact me, text or WhatsApp, and you'll be getting so many clients you will not even be able to supply them all with what they need. So just contact us. Otherwise, back to this video. If you're also looking to buy an apartment in this place or to rent one in this place, just call me or text me. It's a very beautiful place to live, like I said, and you can be one of the tenants in this place or you can be one of the house owners in this place. It's an amazing place to live. There is a lot of playground for kids. So this block right here that has a ground parking also has a lift, so in case you are someone who doesn't like stairs, you can actually take a place in this one and you can be using lifts to your house, the lift to your house. So it's a nice place. Like I said, I have other Airbnbs in Kilimani, Lavington and the rest. So if you're looking for a studio and bedroom, these are the kind of views you'll get. This is from my balcony in my Airbnb in Kilimani area. So you get amazing views from these Airbnbs and they come with affordable pricing. So if you are one who is interested in Airbnbs in Kilimani, Lavington, those areas, high-end areas, whereby you can access the airport as fast as possible, just call or text. This could be you sipping tea while watching the sunset and just watching a beautiful skyline in Kilimani. So thank you guys.